Many times, architects have a debate about whether to use glass or whether to use acrylic. So, the big thing to know and understand about acrylic is acrylic needs to be 3 times as thick, at least, as glass. Glass has much more strength, and glass is easier to maintain. Glass may not be able to be used in areas that have longer spans and are limited by the manufacturing capabilities, whereas acrylic has a lot more options for manufacturing and capability. So the thing to remember about glass is it's not easily scratched. The surface coat is not scratched easily, whereas acrylic can be scratched and marred and has very particular requirements for cleaning.
Is that glass or acrylic?
This, this is glass
How do you know?
because it is far. It's not got a standout. Typically, they'll require people to have a stand back distance because they don't want the acrylic to be Mars. So this is glass.
It's cool.